Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 17th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, that's a little bit disappointing to tell you the truth. We are down 64 cents. That's 2.77%. We closed at 22.49. Post-market, we are down a further 5 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we closed exactly on our resistance/support at 23.13. And today we just went down. So we started the day a little bit over and then came down. So we have big red candle, made a lower high and also a lower low. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. We opened right here underneath 23.13, then went just back up over 23.13, but then we were squished down. And for the first 3 hours, we were going down. And now I cannot invent this. We are staying above 22.49. 22.49 is support that we have been using since November 10th. Has worked perfectly. The stock is really right smack on it. In terms of stochastic, now we have stochastic at 5 on the 1 hour chart. MACD crossed over bearish and the MI is bearish. So if I draw something like this here, unless we break this, we are going back down. I'm sorry to see, but it looks like we are going back down. If we are going back down, the next stop is going to be $21. So $21 is a significant stop. And also we have another one. I hope we won't reach there, but if we do, then we can buy up at a lower price. So the second support is at 17.90. So either 21 bucks or 17.90, and check for 23.13 if the stock magically tries to climb back up from this little low. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. So stochastic hyper low at 7. So extremely low. RSI also below 50. MACD crossed over bearish and the MI is bearish too. This does not bode well. My guess is that we are going to 21. But as always, don't act on what I say, act on what is happening. So on the 1 hour chart, check 22.49 and also check this resistance here. So that will tell you everything you need to know to decide what you might want to do. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.